Shooter stay strapped, I don't need mine. Bro put belt rate to they behind. The way that switch, I know he dying. 6'7", I just bit right on the highway.
Let's go, bro. I beat Mizureta. Whew. That was goated. Anyway, I started this like right after, what? I got the ship! I got the ship! Let's go! Anyway, 6-7 keys. Frick. I started this like at the beginning of August, right after Niwa, but I mean, hey, I'll take it. 1912. I died at 67 like 6 times. Here, wait. Yeah. Like, what is this, bro? Come on. Anyway, really freaking great level. I loved it. GG. A higher being, bro. Like, literally beating the level already. I should do it again. Let's go. Technically, I rebeat it, because, the 97 fail didn't count, but, you know, it's alright. Still mad I didn't fluke it, but GG. Did it in under 6k attempts. That's kind of learny, but, ignoring the 97 fail, honestly, this was really fun. I was just getting super impatient at the end, because, like, I died at 97. That's literally so easy. But, like, somehow died at 97. Embarrassing? How do you spell embarrassing? Wait, I need to look this up. I actually forgot how to spell embarrassing. I'm an idiot. How do you spell embarrassing? I can't put in my passcode. There we go. How do you spell? Okay, now I can't even spell. Wait, is it just one R? I think it is. Wait, what? It really is 2 R's? Oh, so I did get it right. Well,